Hello everyone, welcome to HM Architecture. Today, take a look at this beautiful and well planned 2 BHK house design built on a 30 feet by 40 feet plot with a total built up area of approximately 1,200 square feet. Let's start from the front. The house provides a dedicated parking area measuring 13 feet 3 inches by 15 feet 9 inches, suitable for a car with comfortable movement space. Next to the parking, there is an open lawn measuring 15 feet 8 inches by 5 feet, which works perfectly as a small garden or sit out area, adding freshness and natural light to the home. From here, we enter the kitchen, which measures 10 feet by 10 feet 1 inch. The kitchen is efficiently planned with enough counter space for daily cooking. Attached to the kitchen is a separate storeroom measuring 4 feet 7 inches by 5 feet 3 inches, ideal for groceries and storage. Moving ahead, we reach the main hall measuring 17 feet 4 inches by 10 feet 5 inches. This hall is spacious enough for both seating and dining and acts as the central space of the house. On the left side of the hall, a common bathroom is provided, measuring 4 feet 7 inches by 6 feet 1 inch, suitable for guests and family use. Next to it, there is an open area measuring 4 feet 7 inches by 4 feet, which helps with ventilation and light. On the left side of the house, there is a bedroom measuring 10 feet by 12 feet 6 inches, designed for comfort and proper airflow. On the right side, the second bedroom measures 12 feet by 12 feet 6 inches. This bedroom comes with an attached bathroom measuring 5 feet 11 inches by 6 feet 10 inches. Beside this bedroom, an open wash area measuring 5 feet 11 inches by 5 feet 4 inches is provided for washing and utility purposes. Overall, this is a smart, modern, and well ventilated 2 BHK house plan that makes excellent use of a 30 by 40 plot, offering comfort, functionality, and balanced space planning. If you like this plan or need a custom house design, write your requirements in the comments. This is HM Architecture. Thank you for watching.